Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW X1 guys, I'm talking about generation E84 guys, and you have problems with your engine starter, you're trying to find where your engine starter is located and how to replace it on a 6-cylinder engine, and it actually may be helpful even on the 4-cylinder engine. We'll show you guys how to get to it and where it's located. Quick introduction to the channel guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos specifically on BMW guys. Every BMW we get at the shop, we make at least 400 to 500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing this free information to you guys and teach you how to fix your car for free on your own. Now, if you need to buy a new replacement starter for your BMW X1 or any parts tools, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, shared for your convenience guys, so please check it out. So, what do we have here? This is a N52 6-cylinder engine guys. Things to do before we start: make sure your BMW X1 car battery is disconnected. Why? Because there is two fed wires on the starter, positive wires. One is coming from the battery, one is coming from the alternator. If you touch these wires anywhere guys on metal, you will see sparks flying. You can burn your engine computers, fuses guys, so it's super hard to diagnose something like that, and it could be very expensive to fix. So before we start working on it, disconnect the car battery. If you want to see the correct way to disconnect the car battery, we'll try to put the link in the description of the video below guys. What you need to do, if for some reason I forget to put the link, search for the video guys, how to which car battery poles to disconnect first, positive or negative guys, but I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Then you will need to remove your air filter box, intake boot and intake manifold. The whole assembly needs to come out guys. We'll have the video as well, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below how to remove the intake manifold. We demonstrated on a 3 Series, but the same engine has been used in the X1 guys. This is the most popular engine BMW used from year 2005 to year 2015 guys. Once you do all that, you come right here. Okay, let me show you. You come to this point. This is your engine starter motor. This is the engine starter solenoid. This is the ignition wire coming from the push start button or the key when you turn it. That tells the starter to activate. Make sure that the wire is good, otherwise if that wire is not working, you have symptoms of an not working starter. You need to remove that nut, remove that wire, and then guys you have only 2 bolts that you need to remove with a female torque socket guys. That's what the female torque socket looks like. You get the socket guys and you remove 1 bolt, okay, right here, check it out, this is one of the bolts, and you have another bolt, okay, on the back side from the transmission side, this one here. So one comes this way, the other one goes this way. So remove these 2 bolts and the starter will come out. If you want to see how to test it, clean and rebuild one, we will have a video coming soon on the channel. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.